See, in today's session, again, we'll continue with that chapter, that is coding and decoding. Okay. See, by today or tomorrow, we are going to complete that chapter. Okay. Today or maximum tomorrow. Okay. See, why I am covering that subject means in Sainik school exam, you will get around 5 to 6 questions from that chapter. Okay. Clear? See, in intelligence test section, chapter 1, that is coding and decoding. Okay, see here. These are the questions asked in means last year, not last year, this year only, that is 2021 Sainik question paper. Okay, recently they have written. No? Okay, see in this batch also some of you know this one, I think. Kushal Goda, you also written, I think, this paper. Rohini, Likit. Okay, yeah. See, this was asked in 2021 question paper. Very recent one. I'll solve this one. Huh? Or you can send me the answer, okay? Try it out. Try this one. Somewhat difficult. It is not easy. But you need to observe letter by letter. What is happening there? ಕುಶಾಲ್ ಗೌಡ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ. Manoj, wrong answer. Rohini, right answer. Rohini, exam allo correct ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನಮ್ಮ? Karthik Sagar, wrong. Okay. Sadhvi Patil, wrong. Hamsa, wrong answer. Aditya, wrong. Kruti, wrong. Naomi saying not understand, sir. Okay, okay, I will explain, Naomi, don't worry. Ishak, right answer. Rohini, ಇದೇ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀನು. Manoj, right answer. Bhuvan, wrong answer. Tej Kiran. Okay, okay. Tej Kiran wants some clue. See here. What is the clue means? Observe here. These two letters are interchanged. Got it? See, observe here. See, ಎರಡು ಲೆಟರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. Clear? That is one clue. And next is, see, remaining letters are like this. O, M, P, U, T, and E. What is happening here means, see here, we need to write the next letter. Okay, what is the next letter of O? That is P. What is the next letter of M? N. Next letter of P? Q. Okay. Next letter of U? That is V. Next letter of T? That is U. Next letter of E is F. Is that clear? Now interchange this one. Means you need to reverse this one. First F will come, next U, V, Q, N, and P. First letter and last letter or reversed. Reversed means first R will come, next C will come. Is that clear? These two letters are interchanged. And we have done the next letter and we have done the reverse. Clear? Do the same thing for medicine. Reverse these two letters first. Means first what will come? E will come, and at the end M will come. Okay, Neha right answer, Asha right answer, Sadhvi right, Kirtan right, Aditya right, Yuvraj right. Now you can send me. Chintana right, Chandana right, Tarun wrong, Kushalam right, Ullas right, Kushales Gowda right, Dheeraj right, Mana wrong, Tanmay wrong, Kruti right answer, Rohit right, Lenovo I don't know is that right answer, Tarun right, Karthik Sagar right, Saujanya wrong, I Siri right, Roshni right answer, I Siri right, Ishak right answer. Tanmay SH right answer, Mithun wrong. Bhuvan Chandra right answer, very good. Shashank BR right. Tejaswini right. Arshit Kumar right answer, Dhanvita right. Mithun right. Prithvika no. Himavarsha right answer. Likit right answer, Milind no wrong. Sheetal wrong. Tej Kiran right. Hamsa right. Chitra right. Kirti wrong. Chitra was right. Okay, fine. Kushal Gowda are right. See here, it is simple one. What is the next letter of E? F. What is the next letter of D? A, B, C, D, E. What about next letter of I? Next letter of C, that is D. Next letter of I. Next letter of N. Reverse this one. First write O. Next write J. Next D. Next J. Next E. Next F. Search the option now. Clear? See, this is very new one, means a recent paper. 2021. See, questions will be like this. Don't think they are very easy. Okay. See, this is the real question. Shall I move on to next one? Ready? Okay, be ready. Next also 2021 paper. Yeah, this one is easy, I think. You can guess. Prithvika was right. Okay, Aditya was right. Yeah, send me the answer for this, Prithvika. See, observe. Some changes are happening there. Manoj was right. Kushalam right. Very good. Mithun right. Tej sir, in exam we can work out for this. Yeah. Kushalam right. Tejaswini right. Kushal Gowda right. Chandana right. Lohit right. Kushal Gowda right. Chandana right. Rohini right. Kirtan right. Sadhvi right. Kushal Gowda right. Dheeraj right. Ishak wrong. Bhuvan Chandra right answer. Roshni what clue? See there. Yes. See, first letter S is there. Then RST, P is coming. Next letter U is coming. Yuvraj Gowda right, Saujanya wrong, Neha right, Neha Nibish, Yuvraj right, Yashas Balaji right, Tanmay right, Milind right answer, Imorcha wrong, Aditya AM wrong, Aditya Yam right, Ullas right, Arsha right, Chiranjeevi right, Nidhi wrong, Naomi right, Aisiri right, Chitra right, Danvita right, Shak right, Chintana right, Shashank Bia right, Putvika right answer, Kirti Lata wrong, Kirtan right, Putvika right, Hari right, Tej Kiran right, Tanmay SH right, Chandru right, Chandru Lata. Okay, Ima Varsha right, Yukta right, Nikhil right, Samanvita right, Tarun right. Okay. See here. Kirti Lata right, Karthik Sagar right. See, I will answer this one. See, observe here. See, it is going like this. They are given S, C, D, T, E, F, U, G, H, and they are given the fill in the blank. And then you need to take this W, K, L. See here. S, T, U, what is the next letter? V will come. Okay. Next, see what they are doing means here C is there. Okay. You need to skip one letter. Understood? Skip one letter. After C, D will come. Don't take D. Okay. Take next letter, that is E. Same thing. Do for next letter, that is G. E, F. Skip F. Okay. So if you skip F means what is next letter? G. Do the same thing for here. Okay. G means H will come. Skip that H and write I. Okay. Do the same thing for D. See here. Third letter. D. Skip E and write F. After F, G will come. Don't write G. Skip that G. Next write H. Okay. After H, I will come. Don't write I. Skip the I and write J. Clear? See, for this to this, we are skipping D. And for this to this, we are skipping E. Do the same thing. Okay. See, while writing, first letter is same, means you need to continue first letter. But coming to the second letter, you need to skip. We need to skip H here. Next, see G, H, I. You need to skip I here. So answer is option C. See, this was asked in 2021 paper. Means this year paper only. Clear? Shall I move on to next one? One more question paper problem is there. Try to solve this one. This is easy. I will not solve this one. Okay. Send me the answer for this. This is dead easy. Kushal Gowda, right? Karthik Sagar wrong. Manoj right. Dheeraj right. Shashank Bihar wrong. Kirti Lata wrong. Sadhvi, what we need to add? No. This is not addition. Mithun wrong. Tejaswini right. Tarun wrong. Neha right. Ullas right. Bhuvan wrong. Mithun wrong. Kirti wrong. Ullas right. Neha right. Likhit right. Karthik Sagar wrong. Rohit right. Dhiran wrong. Chintana right answer. Likhit right. Kirtan right. Samanvita right. Tej Kiran wrong. Himorsha wrong. Ishak right. Lohit right. Tej Kiran wrong. Aisiri right. Mithun right. Putvika right. Kirti Lata wrong. Sadhvi not understood. Okay. Harsha, right? Tanmay, wrong. Send me slowly. Prithvika, right? Tanmay, wrong. Tanmay, SH, wrong. Roshani, wrong. Yeah. Kirtilata, right? Savita, right? Chandana, wrong. Chiranjeevi, wrong. Now I may not understood. Harsha want to tell. Okay. Bhuvan, right answer. Tanmay, SH, right? Ana, wrong. Shashank, BR, right? Hima, Varsha, right? Chiranjeevi, right answer. Okay. Hamsa, wrong. Chiranjeevi, right. Okay. Kishan, right answer. Aditya, right answer. Vaibhav, right. Tanmay, wrong. Chitra, right answer. Tej Kiran, right. Rohini, right answer. Kushalam, wrong. Danvita, right. Okay, see here. This is very simple. A very dead easy problem. Huh? See here. They are given way. Way means that is 6, 7, 9. W means 6. A means 7. Y means 9. Next, they are given May. M, A, Y. What is M? 5. What is A? 7. What is Y? That is 9. Clear? Now write it for Y, A, W. See, this is reversed. Very simple. This is reversed. Reversed means Y means 9. See here. What is A? A means 7. What is W? W means 6. 9, 7, 6. Clear? Is that clear? Okay. We'll move on to next one. See, this is not a question paper problem. Okay. This is normal one. You can find out the answer. See, for gold, they are given. Find out for wind. All are sending now. Kushalam, right? Kirtan, right? Himavarsha, right? Rohini, right? Ishak, right? Sadhvi, right? Gagan, right? Manoj, wrong. Manoj, send me once again. Harsha, right? Harshit Kumar, right? Rohit, right? Mithun, right? Aishiri, right? Kruti, right? Mithun, right? Nidhi, wrong. Manoj, wrong. Kushalas Gowda, right? Hari Chandan, right? Roshani, right answer. Chumana, right? Chintana, right answer. Chiranjeevi, wrong. Ullas, right? Likit, right? Chandana, right? Neha, Nibish, right? Dheeraj, right? Tej Kiran was right, I think. Yeah. Milind, right answer. Aditya AM, right? Danvita, right? Amsa, right? Yuvraj, right? Prithvika, right? Karthik Sagar, right? Chandru, right? Tanmay, right? Oh my God. Okay. Bhuvan, right? Prithvika, right? Yashas Balaji, wrong. Manoj, wrong answer. Nidhi, wrong. Kirtilata, right? Lohit, right? Tarun, right answer. Aditya M, right? Pranati, right answer. Someone with a right. Naomi, right? Shashank, BR, right answer. Very good. Kishan, right answer. Yashas, now you are right. Okay. Naomi got the answer. You sent, no? Okay. Yukta, right? Manoj, wrong. See here, it is simple. See, you need to skip one letter. That's it. What is the logic? See, logic is skip letter. See, G, after G, H will come. Don't write H, take I. Okay. LMN O. After O, P will come. Don't write P, then write Q. L, skip the M. Okay. Skip E here. F will come next. Do the same thing. X will come here. Don't write X, take Y. So J will come. Write K here. Here N, O will come. Write P here. E will come, sorry. Yeah, E will come, write F. YKPF. Understood? Chitra was right, Tanmay says right, Saujanya right. Okay. See, I will move on to next one. See, this is next type. See, I am repeating. By today or tomorrow, I am covering this chapter. Okay. Very important chapter. In this chapter, in Sainik school exam, they will ask 5 to 6 questions. Clear? Very crucial chapter. Yeah. Take down the heading. That is type 6, symbol coding based on similarity. It is very simple. Symbol coding based on similarity. I will explain one example. You will come to know how it works. Symbol coding. Okay, see here, in this type, we are using the symbols. We are using the symbols. How means see here. See, don't write anything. I will explain this one. It is very simple. See here. Gone. How to write gone? G-O-N-E. They are written in symbols. See here. These are the symbols. What is G? G means first symbol, that is 5. What is O? O means percentage. What is N? N means 2. Next E means, see, this is hash symbol. In computer, they will use this symbol, okay? Hash symbol. Okay? Then, see, they are given the medal here. I will write the word medal. So, what is M? M means 4. E means hash. D means what is next number? Symbol. That is 3. A means dollar symbol. See, this is dollar. L means that is, see, this is called as at symbol. Now, they are asking gold. G-O-L-D. See, use this information. Use this information to write this one and find out the answer. All are sending, I think. Kushalam wrong, Adityam right, Bhuvan right answer. Chandana right, Prithvika right. Send me slowly, Lohit right, Harsha right, Kruti right, Hari right, Kushalam right, Aishri right, Neha Nibish right, Kushalam right, Karthik Sagar right, Mithun right, Kirtan right, Manoj right, Jitin wrong, Kusha Ullas right. Oh my God. Send me slowly, Chitra right, Roshni right, Ullas right, Gagan right, Likit wrong, Danvita right, Chintana, send me once again. Tej Kiran right, Manoj right, Arshit right, Kirti right, Savita wrong, Mana wrong, Vaibhava right, Aditya right, Milind right answer, Tarun right answer, Likit right answer, Chiranjeevi wrong, Dhruva right, Samanvita right, Rohini wrong. Rohini, what happened? Pranati right, Jitin Jeevan right, Chintana right, Saujanya wrong, Himavarsha right, Ishak right, Hamsa right, Tanmay right answer. Okay, Rohini right. Now it is right, Rohini. Sheetal right answer. Dheeraj, right. Savita, right. Shashank, B are right. Very good. Chiranjeevi, right answer. Chumana, right. Saujanya, right. Sadhvi, right. Tanmay, SH, wrong. See here, what is G? G means 5. Correct? Here, O means what? Percentage. What is L? See, we want L here. Where is L? Here. L means at symbol. After L, D will come. So what is D? This is the answer. 5% at 3. Where it is? Option B. Clear? See, use this information. See, use this data. It's very simple. Shall I move on to next one? See, I will send the notes, okay? Don't worry about the notes. I will send the notes in the WhatsApp group. ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, I will send the anyhow I will send the notes in the group. No, you can write there only. Okay, so this is the first question. Yuvraj, now you are sending for this question. Kushal S. Gowda, right. Kirtan, right. Use the same method. Chandana, right answer. Yeah. Okay, Yuvraj, got it. Chandana, right. Hari, right. Kushalam, right. Hari Chandan, right. Dhruva, right. Kushal, right. Mithun, right. Then Chintana, right. Lohit, right. Dheeraj, right. Chintana, right. Tanmay, right. Likit, wrong. Chiranjeevi, right. Danvita, right. Chiranjeevi, right. Harsha, right answer. Aditya, I am right. Tejaswini, right. Shashank, B are right. Aisiri, right. Rohini, right. Himavarsha, right. Rohit, right. Karthik Sagar, right. Hamsa, right. Saujanya, right. Savita, right. Tej Kiran, right. Neha Nibish, right. Kirti Lata, right. Ullas, right answer. Dhiran, right. Naomi, right. Kishan, right. Chitra, right. Yashas Balaji, right answer. Prithvika, right. Prithvika, right. Send once enough. Milind, right answer. Yuvraj, right. Gagan, right. Ishak, right. Manoj, right. Sadhvi, right. Milind, always send the option, man. Aditya, right. Sadhvi, right. Bhuvan, you also. Bhuvan, right answer. Kruti, right. Abhinav, right. Sheetal, right. Vaibhav, right. Tanmay, Sej, right. Samanvita, right. Chumana, right. Chiranjeevi, right. Roshni, right. Chandru, right. Okay, see here. It is simple one. I think no need to explain this one, I think. Star, they are given star here. See, star can be written as like this. Yes means 5. Here it is dollar. A means star. R means 2. Okay. See, star I have written like this. Okay. Don't confuse, huh? Next, Tore, where they have written T-O-R-E. T means dollar. O means 3. R means 2. E means at symbol. Now find out for votes. Okay, what votes? Votes. O means 3. Where is A? A means star symbol. T, where is T? See, T means dollar. Where is S? S means 5. Clear? 3 star dollar 5. Ready for next one? Answer me this one fast. See, be fast. I will not give much time for this one. Do it fast. You should be very fast. Chiranjeevi wrong, Kushal Gowda wrong. Wait. Yeah, wrong only. Kirtan was right. Kushalam right. Rohini wrong. Dheeraj right. Chiranjeevi wrong. Mithun right. Chandana right. Chintana right. Hari right. Dhruva right. Harichandan right. Himavarsha right. Chintana right. Bhuvan right. Dhruva right. Lohit right. Tej Kiran right. Karthik Sagar right. Yashash Balaji wrong. Hamsa, okay. Kushalam right. Chiranjeevi, no. Karthik Sagar right. Aishri right. Aditya right answer. Ullas right. Shashank Bihar right. Likhit right. Dhiran right. Kushal Gowda right. Manoj right answer. Send me slowly. Harsha right. I can't even read also. Sharat Chiranjeevi right. Gagan right. Saujanya wrong. Chumana wrong. Roshni right. Sadhvi Patil right. Tanmay right. Milind wrong. Tanmay says right. Prithvika right answer. Yuvraj Gowda right. Nidhi right. Jeevan wrong. Prithvika right. Yuvraj right. Abhinav right. Prithvika MP right. Saujanya right. Naomi right. Ishak right answer. I don't know who is that number. Samanvita right. Okay. Chitra wrong. Rohini right. Aditya M right. Kruti right. I will answer this one. Sheetal right. Yashash Balaji right. Chandru right. Okay. See here. I will write it directly. Okay. LOGS. So what is L actually? L means here. Star will come. Next O means where is O? O second letter. That is at symbol will come. What is G? G first letter, that is C here. 5 will come. So next is S. Where is S? First letter, that is 6. Okay, star at 5, 6. Star at symbol 5, 6. Option D is the right answer. I'll move on to next one fast. Answer this one. See, I'll give only 2 minutes time. Fast. Send me whether it is A, B, C, or D. Fast. Only 2 minutes time. Harichandan right, Kushal Gowda right. Kirtan right, Manoj right, Kushalyam right, Rohini right, Chandana right, Chintana right, Mithun right, Kushalyam right, Naomi right, Harsha right, Tanmay right, Roshni wrong answer, Chiranjeevi right, Dhruva right, Karthik Sagar right, Aditya right, Rohit right, Chiranjeevi right, Savita right, Shashank Bihar right, Kruti right, Neha right, Lohit right, Gagan right, Dhanvita right, Tej Kiran right, Aishri right, Arshit Kumar right, Ullas right, Bhuvan Chandra right, Milind right, Tarun wrong answer. Chitra right, Chandru right, Chumanna wrong, Tarun wrong, Himavarsha right, Ashis Balaji right, Yuvraj right, Prithvika right, Saujanya right, Hamsa right answer, Prithvika right, Dhiran wrong answer. Okay, Sadhvi right. Time up, okay, I've given 2 minutes time, 2 minutes over. Arshita wrong, Chiranjeevi right, Kushal Gowda right, Jeevan right, Tanmay SH right, Avinav right, Roshni right, Chiranjeevi right, Aditya AM right answer. Question or not? Yeah, you can work out. Tej Kiran, no problem. Yukta right, Kirti right, Dheeraj right. See, in exam you can write only answer you are writing. Okay. Someone with the right, Kirti right, Ishak right, Nidhi right. See, they are not interested in your explanation. They need only answers. Sheetal right. I don't know whose number it is. You can change that one. 393. Okay. Yeah. See, third one. Option A will come. What is that one? Fail, no? See, F means as symbol will come. A means where is A? See this letter. Star will come. For I, where is I? Percentage will come. For L, see last letter L is there here. Arrow mark, up arrow. Understood? Very simple one. See, we will move on to next one. That is type 7. Take down the heading, type 7. Coding by substitution or word replacement. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, see in this, we are replacing the complete word. Getting? We are replacing the, okay, complete word. I will explain that one. How we are going to replace the word. Or we call it as substitution. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. This is very simple one. See, I will show this one. One example I will show. See here, you can read this problem. Green is called red. Means we are taking green as red here. What about red? Red ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ? Blue ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. Next, blue is called white. Blue ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ white ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. White ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ what we will take? We will take yellow. Next, if yellow will come means what we will take? Violet. Now, in the question, what is they are asking? What is the color of grass? You know, no? What is the color of grass? What is the color of grass? Red. Actually, see, color of grass is green, but what is the code word for green? Red. Okay, means you need to write the answer D. Is that clear? What is the color of grass? Color of grass is green, but what is the code word for green? Green is called as what? Red. See, don't think color of the grass is red, okay? Here the code word. Understood? What we are doing means we are replacing this green with red. Okay? That's why the name word replacement. Clear? Word replacement. Complete word ಅನ್ನೇ replace ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. Shall I move on to next one? Try to understand the problems. Okay, I will send the notes in the WhatsApp group. You can write it there. Keep one separate book. Clear? See, if I give time here means it will take more time. Okay, we can't able to solve more problems. Clear? Yeah. See here, first problem. Find out the answer for this. What is the color of milk? See, you should know first what is the color of milk. Okay, and then write the code word for that. Kushalam, right? Kushal Gowda, right? Chintana, right? Dheeraj, right? Rohit, right? Okay. Rohini, right? Tejaswini, oh my God. Aditya, wrong. No, I can't able to read also. You are sending very fast on my right. See, 1,000 messages are coming here. Chandana, right? Nidhi, right? Harsha, right? Roshni, right? Yashas Balaji, right? Send me slowly. Yuvraj, wrong answer. Danvita, I think, right? Okay. I can't able to read. Wait. Kirti, right? Prithvika, right? Shashank, we are wrong. Aditya, right? Tarun, right? Hari, right? Kushal, I'm right. Karthik Sagar, right? Okay. See here. Ullas, right? Kruti, right? Tanmay says, right? Gagan, right? Neha Nibish, right? Chitra, right answer. Yukta, right? Sadhvi Patil, right? Milind, right answer. Yeah. Hamsa, wrong. Yuvraj, right? Aishiri, right? Okay. See here. See here. I will answer this one. You can check it out. Okay. What is the color of milk? Color of milk is white. But white is called as what? See, white means yellow. Option C is the right answer. Understood? And then don't think, okay, milk will be yellow. Huh? Milk will be white only. Then don't argue with your science teacher. Huh? No, sir, our sir told milk is yellow only, sir. Okay, actually, yellow will come in the first, okay, ಏನಂತಾರೆ? When cow will give birth for the calf, no? In that time, okay, what is that called as? Yogurt, not yogurt. I forgot that word. First milk of the cow or buffalo is called as. First day it will come yellow only. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಣ್ಣ ಅಂತಾರೆ. I forgot about it in English. Yogurt or don't know. Okay, fine. Ginda. Jeevan is sending G-ball. Tanmay, okay. Cheese, not man, not cheese. Pratyuka is saying yellow, dirty fellow. Okay. Milcha. Hey, not butter. Yukta is sending butter. Kushales Gowda, Ginna. In Kannada, man, in English. Tanmay is saying G-ball. Different one. Ghee and tuppa kana Ishak. Cheese, not cheese exactly. Cola, oh no, I don't know. Cheese is different word again. Yogurt, huh? Don't know. Yeah. Tomorrow I will say that word, okay? I forgot that one actually. It's a science word, huh? Okay. Yeah. Answer this one. This is easy. Lady finger. Okay. See, this is not your fingers, okay? This is lady finger. ಬೆಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ. Kushales Gowda, right. Okay. Dhruva, right. Harsha, right. Mithun, right. All are right. All are right. Chitra, right. Hamsa, right. Gagan, right. Kirtan, right. Hima, Varsha, right. Yukta, right. Yuvraj, Samanvita, Aisiri, Ullas, Kruti. One is wrong. One is wrong. Shashank, we are wrong. Tanmay says right. Sujanya, right. Chintana, right. Okay, I will answer this one. This is very easy. Okay. See, lady finger. See, lady finger color is green. Green is called as what? Green is called as. Here is green. Green is called as yellow. Yellow, dirty fellow. Okay. Someone sent that one. Yukta, I think. Okay, next one. See, this is the last question, means in type 7. Send me the answer for this. I think it is easy. See, wild, you need to search the wild animal there. Chandana, right? Chandana, right. Chintana, right. Dheeraj, right. Hamsa, wrong. Dheeran, right. Manoj, wrong. Hari, wrong. Aisiri, right. Kushalam, wrong. Karthik Sagar, right. Yukta, wrong, I think. Prithvika, right. Danvita, right. Samanvita, right. Milind, right answer. Manoj, right. Mithun, right. Kushalam, right. Sumanna, wrong. Yuvraj, wrong. Hey, ಏನ್ ಕ್ಲೂ ಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಇಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕ್ಲೂ ಬೇಕಾ? See, which of the following animals is wild one? See, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ wild animal ಯಾವುದು? Lion. Correct. You know the difference between wild animals and domestic animals, no? Okay. Again, I need to teach science here. Lion. Lion is called as what here? Code word. Buffalo. See, in this problem, lion becomes buffalo. Okay. Huh? Sometimes it happens. Huh? Sometimes lion will become buffalo also. Sometimes we will become monkeys, no? Like that. What now? Am I right? Okay. See, type 8. After this type 8, last type is there, type 9. Total 9 types are there. Take down fictitious language coding. What do you mean by fiction? You know the meaning of fiction? See, if you go to library, means you will come across this word fiction books. What do you mean by fiction books? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾದಂಬರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾದಂಬರಿ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಾರು ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬುಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, okay, if you go to the Sapna book house, in that they will mention their fiction book, non-fictitious book ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ, ಫಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಥೆಗಳು, ಕಾದಂಬರಿಗಳು, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್. ಏನೇನ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಟೂನು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೆಗೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. Fiction book means imagination. See, what we are doing means here. See, I will show an example. You will come to know what is this fiction here. Okay. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. What is that sentence? He is great. See, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್? ಕಾ ಕೆ ಎ ಪಿ ಎ ಪ ಆರ್ ಎ ರಾ. See, don't think he means ka, is means pa, great means ra. No, it is not like that. Okay. Now, I will take one more sentence, that is Ram angry? That is coded like this. Is Ram hungry? Okay. See, we have written fiction here. Fiction means imagination. Our own imagination sentences. Means, see, we are writing N, A, Na, Sa, Ka. Now, find the code word for is. Now you need to find out here. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈಸ್ಗೆ ಕೋಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಕಾ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, ಪಾ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, ರಾ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, ನಾ, ಸಾ, ಕಾ, ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಇಯರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ಸಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. He means ka. No, it is not like that. Clear? Now you need to identify like this. See, find out the common word between these two sentences. Which is the common word? See, ಇವೆರಡೇ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಎರಡು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ದಿದಾನಲ್ವಾ, ಕಾ, ಪಾ, ರಾ, ನಾ, ಸಾ, ಕಾ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. See here, you can observe here. Here ka is there, here also ka is there. Understood? Now, what is the code word for is? Nothing but ka. Clear? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಒಂಚೂರು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೇನ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ. ಸಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಓ, ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾವಲೆ. Tanmay sending, sir, I sent photo in WhatsApp number. Prithvika, right? Chandana, right? Okay, okay, no need to send. Okay, for this one I already answered this one. Yeah, see, we will solve one problem and I will wind up this session here only. Okay, we will solve last problem. This is the today's last problem. Yeah, so this is the last problem. After this, quiz will be there. See, so many are there here. Okay, try to understand. Wait, I will write like this. Okay, you can write it in any way. Okay, key, top, ma means, see, the order level, it is not in order. Don't think po means Usha. No, it is not like that. Usha is playing cards. Next, cop, ja, ki, ma means Asha is playing tennis. Asha is playing tennis. Next one. Key, top, shop, ho means they are playing football. Language is very strange, no? Key, top, also. Next, last one. Po, sur, cop means cards and tennis. See, if you are intelligent, you will come to know, okay, how to find out the words. Now, what is the code word for Asha they are asking? This is the question. Send me the answer now. See, simply don't send. Okay, if you don't know the answer, just keep quiet. Okay. Simply don't send rubbish answers. Rohini, right answer, I know. Rohini will answer this one. Chandana, no. See, all are wrong. Simply they are guessing the answers. Stop sending. See here. Actually, it is easy only. Yeah. See, in these two sentences, is and playing is coming. See, try to understand this one. Illi is ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ playing ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ playing ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ means, see, you will get the same two words. Try to understand this one. Year to year. Okay. See, ki is common coming. Next, what is the common? MA. Means KIMA means nothing but either it is or playing. Okay. Now, see in the third sentence, key, top, shop, ho is there. Here, again KI is coming. Try to understand this one. Here KI is coming. Here KI is coming. Here KI. Means which word is common here in all the three sentences? Playing is common. Means KI means what? Playing. See, we got one code. KI means playing. Okay. Now, see, for second sentence, tennis is there. And fourth sentence, tennis is there. What is the common between these two? See, cop is there here. Here also cop is there. Means cop means tennis. Clear? Understood? Now, see, find out the ease. Okay. See, here also MA is there. Here also MA is there. MA means ease. Now, see these three over. KI, cop, MA. Now find out the Vasha. So which one is left? Ja is left. Ja is nothing but Asha. This is somewhat difficult. Okay. But you should understand this one. They may ask in the exam. This is a bit difficult, huh? Okay. Yeah. Now everyone is sending Kirti, Hari, Chandana, Kruti, Tanmay, Savita, Roshni. Right answer. Okay. Yeah, I will stop here. We will play the quiz now.